Hey there, Christy here, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to take a look at 5 apps that can add a little fun and pop to your designs. So this first one that I want to share with you is called Create an Animation. So it's a fairly new app that allows you to create your own movement with a design. So I'm going to go to my elements. Whoop, let me move that there. Let me find elements. Look at the elements. I had them open and now they're lost. All right, there we go. I'm going to look at the ones I recently had. Okay, here we go. Gonna add this little smiley face celebration, right? But I'm going to move it all the way to the left here, and you'll see why here in a minute. And I'm going to click on Animate. And you'll see here, this pops up. It's called Create an Animation. So I'm going to click on that, and it gives you a little demonstration here of how it works. So basically, I'm going to create my own movement, my own animation. It's pretty awesome. So I'm going to take it. You see the little line as I'm moving? And I'm going to move it all the way across the page. And once you let go, look at that. It copied my movement. I'll show you the presentation version so then you could see it. There it goes, smiley face. I just think that is so cool. So you can do that with any element. You would just, again, click on the element, click on Animate, and that would pop up for you. So have fun with that. You can do all kinds of things. I haven't even scratched the surface, but I just think that's so cool. All right, so this next one is called Type Gradient, and I love this because I love gradients in general, and this is so cool because you can create your own colors and everything here. So I'll show you here. So let's go into edit. So you're going to open up the app. It's called Type Gradient, and you can put whatever you want to do in your text to design. What will you, how about, let's just do seize the day. Okay. And then I'm going to move my head over here, and down below, you'll see how it's going to look. And you see the colors you can change here. You can move it around and change the colors however you like. Make this a more pinkish purplish color, and this one. So you just really press the dot, and then you can move things around until you have the colors that you like. So that looks good. And then what you do is come down here where you see the preview, and you see this little handle here. Then it's like a goes back and forth handle, but you can move it. You see that until you get the gradient look that you want. Isn't that awesome? So then I can update the element that I already had in there, and look at that. Isn't that neat? So, and then if you want to change it up at all, you can do that. I want to move the gradient down a little bit, you can upgrade it, and voila. So you can have all kinds of fun with that one. So much fun. So the next app I want to show you is called Text Extrude. So you'll search for that app, type Extrude. And this is a neat little app because it gives you this kind of nice shadowy font, and it has different fonts that you can choose from. But just to show you what this looks like, I'm going to put in here, today is the day, and the font is here. You could choose whatever font of these that you like, but I'm just going to keep it for what we have here. just so I can show you, and then you can see how it's going to look here. And then you could change the length of, see the shadow can go way out or could go in. You can angle it. You can see that here. So it's really playing with the angles of the shadows. I'm going to just do the one word because you can see it bigger that way. See how you can see it? And this shows what it would look like with a dark background versus a light background. And then when it looks the way you like, you can just add it to design, and there you go. So this is great for if you want attention grabbing text in your design, you want to have something that's just more, a little more pop to it. And then of course you could change the colors if you're not feeling it, whatever these colors are. If you want to change it, then you'll have to start all over basically, and then add it again with the new colors. And so that is how that works. And I hope you have fun with that one. Now, the next one I want to show you, now that we are done with the text, we're going to show you an AI image generator. And this is, if you go to Elements here on the left, and you'll see right here where it says image generator. So you can just generate your own. And this is a fun app because it's really easy to use, and you can just create a basic style. It has watercolor, dreamy, photo, filmic, anime, has these different styles you can use. And then you would enter 5 words to describe what you want to create. Or you can have it create something for you. So I'm just going to click Inspire Me because I don't have a creative brain cell right now. So it's going to create a cute, adorable little Maltipoo with interior lighting. So I'm going to click this button that says Generate Image. Actually, I'm going to choose watercolor and see what it comes up with here. So as that is working, so it might take a minute for it to work on those images. So we have one coming up right there. It looks so cute. This would be a great way to just create images of your own that you can use in your designs. So I like both of these. These are really cute. So it got that one. I grabbed that one, and there it is. So you can do that, and then you can add some cute text and just kind of have fun with that. So that is how easy, like ridiculously easy, it is to create images. So you could go back in there and you could try the different ones. I could say, oh, that one's cute too, and put it in there. You can get like 3 of them. Maybe you could create like a little collage here, a little doggy collage, which is kind of cute. They all have like a similar color here. And then just play with that. You could create a cute little product with that, like a wall art or something. So there you go. Create your own images. Next, I want to show you Magic Animate. And I have 2 elements on this page already. And what you do with Magic Animate, it chooses, should I say, animations that will work best with your elements. So you'll just click on this page or on this element, and you're going to say Animate. And we're going to go to where it says, I'm looking for, let me see. I think I might need to click on the page. There we go. Animate. There we go. So click on the page, not the element. And you'll see this here pop up on the right. It's Magic Animate, and that's what we want. And you do need Canva Pro for this, just FYI. So it's going to show you all the recommended styles. Well, it'll have one main one at the top, and then it'll have alternative styles. So this one, as you can see, it does this. We do bold. It's a nice slide effect there. Elegant, energetic, handmade, playful, professional, grunge, and minimal. So I liked this one the best, actually, this bold one. And so you just do that animation, and it's cool. I'm going to play this here so you can see that. Well, that was my original animation that I did. Here we go. Rewind that just a little bit. There we go. There you go. So it kind of has a slide effect, right? So that's another just quick and easy way to add animations to your page and without having to click on each individual element to do it. So I really like that. So I hope you found these apps and these little, ways to add some pop to your designs helpful. And let me know below if you have any questions. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.